the original people that lived here. Okay. The Miami, yep. Scioto, all those names. And all those tribes and all those trails. So, so truthfully, I know for a fact that I'm definitely 100% Native American. But there's a catch to it. When you're 100% Native American, that means that you're made up of a lot of different tribes, because in native tribes, you could never marry or procreate with a person that was within your tribe. You had to marry someone from a different tribe.